So in this Notes app tutorial, I will be showing you guys how to edit the highlight color on the Notes app for the Mac. So let's just say I'm typing in highlight color just like this. Now, if you want to highlight it, it's very simple. Highlight your text right here that you want to highlight. Go to the capital A and the lowercase a. Then this option right here, go ahead and select it, and it'll highlight it. Now, for me, it's orange right now. So if I were to go down here and type it again, highlight color, and I wanted to maybe make this part one color, just once again, highlight, but right beside there, there's an orange dot. Select that, then you can change the color of the highlight. So if you wanted to do this one green, and maybe you wanted to do this one, I don't know, blue, you can do it that way and edit the highlight color that way. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to edit the highlight color on the Notes app for the Mac. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this helps.